Hello, this is my evidence trip, evidence final, my autobiographical. This is for the effective prestation workshop class. Hello, my name is Genaro Torres Romero. I am 20 years old. I am a student on the Business Administration course in TecMilenio University, like in Durango City, Durango, Mexico. My birth. I was born on a July 5 on the 1999 in the city of Durango, Durango. Uh, this is no person. This is no event. It's no person. She was my sixth grade teacher, a very strict traditional person. At first, we got along, but now I think she was a person who gave her very, very mature. I know have a photograph of she. Sorry, my first communion is what was I was 10 years old. I performed the ceremony in the company of my family and friends. For me, the religion and the faith are very important topic to direct life. Uh, you think? Write in the comments, please. The Taekwondo. I practiced for 5 years preaching in the Red Ribbon, but I should have left it for schoolwork. But it helped me a lot to develop responsibility, self-control, persistence, respect for authority, travel to choose an exam. My family realized this travel in the 10 years when I was 11 years old. The exploration of this wonder world are very amazing. The history, the people, and the rains. Unforgettable. At this travel, we visited the current Ecology Park Xcaret. I swam in the underground river. We sang on the wonderful birds. Birds. Secondary school prom. It was to the summer the 2014 with a 14 years old when I graduated from the secondary school and they had the great honor to pick the best average of my generation. My secondary is realized in the Juan Pablo II College. My first match. Sorry. Say I was a little. I had been a big soccer fan, but I was shooting in the January 2014 that I was to ever attend professional match. This is the Leon Football Club and versus Pachuca in the Leon Stadium. I am Leon fan. The resultado, unfortunately for me, was a victory for Pachuca. This photograph. My high school prom. It was school where a big member of the TecMilenio community. It was very important stage for my personal, obviously student life. The prom night is definitely memorable. I'm sorry. It is very precious. Oh, drive to Cuba. In the company of the Maris classmate in this university, I made my first international trip to the Caribbean island. I meet wonderful people, interesting study, and fabulous food. I expand my vision of the world. Kixa, Eugenia Gropokaina. I got the last year I got part-time job at cutting film. My first job that I grant to student. I started a acoustic accident. I think the general view in me for the last the last week he remembered to Sharon Subgaren. Sorry. Okay. It is the last part of the evidence. I'm sorry for very nervous. Uh, I very thanks for you. I expect this comment. Goodbye.